Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Rinse and drain 2 cups basmati rice until water runs clear. Then combine the rice with water to cover by 1 inch and soak 20 minutes. This reduces starch and prevents clumping. Prep 3 large eggs. Beat with 1/2 tsp salt and 1/4 tsp black pepper so the eggs stay seasoned through cooking. Measure 1 tsp cumin seeds, 2 tablespoon neutral oil such as canola, and have 1 small onion diced to 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoon chopped cilantro ready. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a heavy pan over medium heat and add 1 tsp cumin seeds. Toast until fragrant, about 30 seconds, to release aroma without burning. Add 1 small diced onion and sauté 2 to 3 minutes until translucent, then pour the beaten eggs into the pan and scramble gently for 45 seconds until soft curds form. Remove them to a bowl to prevent overcooking. Return the pan, add the soaked and drained rice, 3 cups water, 1/2 tsp salt, and bring to a rolling boil. Once boiling, reduce heat to low, cover the pan with a tight lid and simmer 10-12 minutes until water is absorbed and rice grains are tender. Avoid lifting the lid during this time to keep steam consistent. Remove from heat and let rest, covered, for 5 minutes, then fluff rice with a fork and gently fold in the reserved scrambled eggs along with 2 tablespoon chopped cilantro for fresh herb flavor. Optional final touches include a squeeze of 1/2 lemon and serving with plain yogurt raita or pickles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.